What's going on, guys? My name is Austin Zaback and welcome to another luxury house tour here in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. Today we're touring a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 5,822 square foot home listed at $3.9 million. I'm standing here with Lilly and we're gonna go ahead and go inside here in just a minute. We're gonna meet the listing agent, Sharon Steimer with Realty Executives. Let's go ahead and go inside.
So this is a fully remodeled home. It's about 5,822 square feet, and it was completely torn apart. So this home has everything from the real wood floors to brand new windows and doors, all the way to the new roof and underlayment underneath. This gentleman comes in, he's been a licensed contractor for 30 plus years and really knows high-end luxury homes. As you can tell by his attention to detail, this isn't just a home where you back up the pickup truck and throw some paint on it and call it fully remodeled. This gentleman actually takes the time to go through and make any changes to the plumbing, electrical, or anything like that that needs to be done. As you can tell, the custom wine cellar, stack stones, the circle tub with a nice chandelier, master shower, 3 walk-in closets. He really likes to cater to this price range and really try to go above and beyond for what the consumer wants. One of the cool features he does is he likes to add a little Easter eggs to the home. So on this home, he did do a secret passageway from her closet into the gym or office, whatever you want to use it as. Other things to notice are the windows and door package. He replaces every window and door in the entire house, so these sliders are anywhere collector sliders. You can move them to the left, to the right. The doors are commercial grade pivot doors from IKEA. So all top of the line finishes. This lot is about 36,000 square feet, north-south facing with south-facing exposure. And it's truly, with no HOA, it's in one of the most desired neighborhoods of Scottsdale. That's kind of a hidden gem for if you ask any locals who know about it.
What a grand entryway. What do you think of this?
I absolutely love it. I love walking through the front door. The first thing I notice is all of the beautiful light fixtures.
Yes.
And I walk right in and honestly, just looking straight out into the pool, it's perfectly parallel. It's symmetrical, right?
Yeah.
And you see all the water fountains, you see everything kind of coming into the pool, all the water features, and then look at these ceilings.
Tall, yeah.
Massive 18-foot ceilings in the center with the wood beams really just gives it, I don't know, I love the touch.
I love how when you walk through this hallway right here, you have the dual-sided wine cellar, so you can see it through each side, so you can have, your reds, your whites, whatever you put
Which
in
is
there.
really cool because it's also chilled as well. So
Right.
you can do everything that you want to do there. And then this is a really cool room too. You do have that really unique chandelier, which I think is really cool. And you have all these windows. I mean, honestly, I feel like this is a home where you could turn all the lights off in the middle of the day and all the natural light would just light up the entire house.
Yeah.
100%. And then as we walk through here, we walk right into the kitchen area, which is just gorgeous. The first thing that I notice is the waterfall counters.
Yes.
Which is just gorgeous. These are obviously quartz countertops. And we have not only one, but we have actually the double, which I think is really cool, perfect for entertaining.
Great for hosting, I agree.
And especially with all these massive doors going out into the pool area, I feel like it's just such a cool, entertaining house. Mm-hmm. Perfect, honestly, for Airbnb as well, because there is no HOA. So if a person wanted to live here, it'd be a great family home, but it would also be a great investment property for people that want to rent it out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So over here, it looks like they have a custom hood. That's what Sean was telling us, which is really cool. It ties right in with the color.
Yeah, I love the contrast. I love having the black hood with the white cabs and then the black hardware. I think it gives it a really unique look. And I think they tied it in perfectly with this backsplash here.
Yeah.
And then the quartz counters, how you have that kind of trace of gold and black in the countertops as well. I think they did a really beautiful job with the kitchen, and it was definitely meticulously thought through.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So check out these doors. They're custom Anyway collectors by IKEA. I mean, depending on how you put your furniture, you could
go either way with them.
Yeah, you can go either way, which is
I really
cool.
like that a lot. That's not something you see very often, and I think that's actually a really unique thing because, some people are going to come in here with different furniture, and they're going to want the doors to go one way or the other. And I think it's obviously a really cool feature. And not only that, look at the size of that door, Lily.
Oh, it's huge.
I mean, that is a massive door. And not only do we have one here, we actually have one over here as well. which is incredible. So as you kind of walk in here to the living area, first and foremost, I mean, the fireplace is just stunning.
Yes.
I love what they did there. And I love kind of this little seating area. I think it's actually really cool. You know, you could enjoy some time here. You obviously have the grill right outside. And this is a house where you really get that indoor-outdoor kind of vibe.
Oh yeah, and it's nice too how it's kind of pocketed off to the side. It's not just kitchen and living room as one. It's
100%.
It's separated a little bit.
Yeah, I love that. So it's an open concept, but at the same time, you get that kind of sense of like, okay, this is the living room, that's the kitchen, dining room, etc. So right as you walk here off the kitchen, Lily, you have this kind of really cool entertaining area where you do have like the little wet bar here as well. I love the open shelving.
Yes.
I love kind of that charred wood look. I think that's actually a really cool look.
Yeah.
Those are obviously all custom. And then obviously we have our ice machine, I believe here.
Yes.
Yep. And then we have our wine cellar here, our kind of wine fridge here. And then this door actually opens up, which is cool because you could do like really cool bar seating out there. And again, it's just a perfect entertaining house.
It is perfect. I love this, especially because, you know, if you don't want people tracking in water, you can kind of just hand them a drink, hand them food, whatever they need.
Totally agreed. And the backyard is just beautiful. We'll get there in just a minute, but look at this area here. I love, again, obviously we kind of already talked about the front entrance area, but I love as you walk through here, this is just such a really cool entertaining area. There's so much opportunity you could do here. So many different things you could do. The fireplace is beautiful. I love what they did with the wood.
You could even hang a TV up there if you wanted this to be the main family room.
You could do TV, you could do art. I even think they make the new TVs where it's actually a TV, but it actually looks like still art.
Yeah.
When you like pause it or whatever.
Up,
yeah, which is really cool. And again, they did like kind of the charred open shelving here on both sides.
Matches the beams.
Perfectly symmetrical. I absolutely love that. And then we actually have two anyway doors, followed by this massive piece of glass right here. And what I love about these doors, Lily, is as you can tell, they'll stay open, but they also like completely shut like that.
That's
and
awesome.
Again, I mean, look at the size of this door. I almost feel like video doesn't even do it justice.
Yeah.
Like this is a big door. It's real easy to open. It's lightweight. You open it like this and it just stays right there. Like you can feel that kind of balance point where it just opens and stays, which is really cool.
Off to the left wing of the house here, it looks like we have a nice little office / bedroom. It has a closet.
It does have a closet, yep.
Could
and you have those beautiful windows. Again, you're looking out to the front area, so lots of natural light. I feel like you could totally like read a book there in the morning, get a bunch of work done. It really is like nice and quaint.
Oh yeah.
I love how wide all these hallways are.
Oh yeah, you could, you know, walk your dog in this hallway.
100%, right? And then right here, this would I guess be like the bathroom where all of your guests would go and everything like that, which is nice. Because again, it's kind of separated from everything, but if people are kind of in that main area, they can come right here. Yeah, 100% private, but it's also a beautiful bathroom. Like, I mean, at the end of the day, it's a really big bathroom.
It is.
For just being like kind of off of the hallway here. You have a full shower, you have a double vanity, you've got a linen closet, and then you do have almost like a little bit of like a Jack and Jill vibe, where you do have like the one bedroom kind of off here. With the closet, obviously.
And again windows.
The windows, yep, 100%. And then you do have that separate entrance as well, so you can just into the bedroom. Now, right off of here, Lily, I love the master bedroom. You have the double French doors walking right in. And you know what I love about this is this door right here.
Yes.
It matches those shelves that we were talking about, and the beams.
Yeah.
Which is really cool. It's like that, it's fully custom, as we were talking to Sean. And he said that basically it's that charred kind of custom look.
Right.
And I've never seen that in a house before. I mean, you see a lot of barn doors.
Not like this.
Not like that. People typically have like that white barn door and it's like, you know, it's getting a little old, right? But I love that right there. And I love the master bedroom. I love the ceiling fan. And I really even love like all the furniture in here as well. Obviously somebody's gonna have their own choice of furniture, but we do have a big door going out to the main area there. But let's show them something really cool here in a minute in the closet, because I feel like that's really cool. So as we walk here, we have the his and we have the hers. We do have the pocket doors to save space, which is really nice.
Yes.
Now we even have doors like swinging open, you know. And again, look at the pocket doors. They contrast.
Yeah, again.
Like, I love
Attention to detail.
Attention to detail. If you had a white door, it would almost look tacky. Yeah, I love the black. It's almost like a charcoal.
Yeah,
I really like that. Yeah. I love this bathroom.
Love the bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
Especially the lighting. Everybody, you know, I love my lighting.
The lighting is a must, right?
Yes.
We have the LED lights underneath all the vanities. I love these mirrors.
Oh, is it the touch?
Like, this is just amazing. You literally touch it, it turns off. It has like dimming settings. I mean, just incredible, especially for you ladies.
Yes.
I mean, unbelievable. What about this bathtub here?
I love this bathtub. This is awesome. You don't usually see these often. It's kind of like a hot tub.
It's like, this thing is freaking dope.
Yeah.
And not only do you have the single spout to fill up the tub, but you also have the wand.
Wash your dog in here.
Right, 100%. There's like the opportunities and the possibilities here are limitless. We won't get into that, but just absolutely incredible. Same with the shower. Look at the rain head there.
Yes.
That's like a 1.5 foot rain head shower. Like, can you imagine taking a shower in there?
No.
I can't either. Be incredible. Okay, so again, we do have kind of the commode here. And then what's really cool about the closet is the sellers are actually offering a $25,000 credit for the buyer to fully customize the closet.
Super nice. Everybody has their own little things they need in their closet, so
100%.
I love that.
The chandelier is really freaking cool. I love that.
Again, tying in the gold with
And then
everything.
check this out here. So right here, you're like, oh my gosh, like this is just a closet, right? And they did a really good job making it look like a closet.
It looks really hidden.
But if you push this is actually a door going in to another room. Like, that is really cool. It's not something you see all the time. And they did a really good job hiding it. I've seen a lot of like hidden doors and they don't do that good of a job.
You can see the hinges, not there.
Totally. And on this side, you just have kind of the glass, right? Which is really cool. So this could either be like another closet. This could also be, they're marketing it as like a gym, which I think is really cool because you already have the glass and everything. And it also leads right out to the pool area.
Yeah.
And I love the door and everything like that, obviously, as well.
So here we are in the backyard. No, it's not the Ritz-Carlton with these fountains. They did install them, but they also installed some new nice turf grass, which is amazing for Arizona. Because
love that. Yep. Love the pavers. It looks like they redid all of the cool decking.
Oh yeah.
And the pool's beautiful. Honestly, the backyard is just gorgeous. We have the jacuzzi. I love the water feature. And we are sitting on almost an acre. You know, and a lot of that property is obviously in the front. We have the big garages. We have the big circle drive, which I think is really cool in Scottsdale. But we have a lot of that space in the backyard as well.
Right.
So you really can entertain at a really high level. You have the parking to entertain as well, which is really cool. So Lily, as you walk over here kind of by the pool and you stand really up here, I mean, the amount of glass on the back of this home and the amount of doors, the amount of entrances, all the way from the door over to the left, the two main doors that we were talking about a minute ago that go anyway, to the two doors right here, the door over there off that kind of main area where you walk in the front door, and then the door going off to that gym back into that closet. I mean, it's ridiculous.
Talk about natural light.
Talk about natural light. Look at all the entrances that we have back here. And I forgot to even mention the little opening that we have for the bar area.
Oh yeah,
like, unbelievable. So I absolutely love this house, Lily. I think it is a spectacular house.
Gorgeous.
For $3.9 million.
In Scottsdale?
In Scottsdale, like there's nothing on the market right now.
No.
Fully renovated, you know, and look at these garage doors. Again, we're contrasting perfectly. They even did the roof contrasted with the house. I really think it is just a gorgeous home.
Everything ties in perfectly.
It really does. The flipper did an incredible job. And again, massive driveway. Guys, if you're interested in the house, Sharon Steimer is the listing agent. This is Lily Keating. My name is Austin Zaback. If you're really interested, maybe one of the Lamborghinis behind us, we can get included in the sale of the home. Drop in the comment section down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Lily, thank you so much for touring the house with me again. And we're gonna have a lot more where this came from. We'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.